Every homeowner eventually needs help. Whether it's a leaking roof, a broken air conditioner, an electrical problem, or simply finding someone you can trust, searching for the right contractor can be frustrating. That's why we created the U.S. Home Services Directory, one place where homeowners can discover trusted professionals for virtually every home service across the United States. Your home is one of your biggest investments. Keeping it beautiful, functional, and well-maintained shouldn't be stressful. That's why homeowners throughout the United States turn to our Home Services Directory for reliable, professional solutions they can trust. Whether you need home repairs, routine maintenance, professional installations, or help tackling your growing to-do list, our experienced professionals are here to help. We offer a wide range of services designed to make homeownership easier, from handyman services and property maintenance to pressure washing, dryer vent cleaning, window cleaning, and much more. Looking to upgrade your home's appearance? We also specialize in beautiful window coverings, including blinds, shades, shutters, and motorized window treatments to add style, comfort, and energy efficiency to every room. Need help outside? We can help keep your property looking its best with exterior cleaning, paver sealing, outdoor living improvements, and a variety of specialty home services. Whether you own a primary residence, vacation home, rental property, or commercial building, you deserve dependable service from professionals who care about quality workmanship and customer satisfaction. Instead of calling multiple companies, find everything you're looking for in one place. Our goal is simple: to save you time, eliminate the hassle, and help protect the value of your property for years to come. Search one of our local service directories in your city to locate a service professional in your area.